Hello everybody, welcome back. In this section I'm going to give you some information about navigating, getting around your new classroom. The classroom in online learning, the classroom that we're using is called Moodle, and that is basically the platform that we're using to do our e-course, so our online learning course. You may, in some institutions, you may be hearing words like Blackboard. That's another platform that's used. That's commonly used. So let's get going here. So this is your initial page when you log in. This is what you're going to see. And you're going to see all the different modules listed on the left side here. And it will be duplicated in the middle. And then on the right side of your screen, you will see forums and a variety of things which I'll go through. I would recommend you not use the toggle on the left. Stay with the middle screen. It's just easier to maneuver. So we have gone through, you've gone through this, you've gone through your course information, and you've tested your computer. You know how to get a hold of me if you need to. You've watched the first screencast, and now we're on the second one. So the learning activities in every module, so every section, are ordered, and you're to complete them in the order that they're listed. So you've done the first screencast, the second. So the next thing you would do is you would read through, you'd click on the third here, it says course outline, and there you're going to get the course outline for your online course. Then you go to read and print your course schedule, open your course schedule, go through it. That has important dates, so it tells you your all assignments, when they're due, and the order of the modules. So do that, and then I wanted you to read a little bit about netiquette. Netiquette is basically, good manners for interacting on the computer, so online. So read through that, and then this is VCC's policies and procedures regarding code of conduct. So basically you're a VCC student because you registered for this course, so the rules are the same for the online environment as in the classroom environment. So read through all those activities, and then at the end of this, once you've done that, every module has working together. So these are these are chats, forums, a link to our wiki page, which is our shared web page, basically. So in every module, you're going to have the same things under the title working together. So we have a social forum. So that's a place. I'm going to click on it right now so you can take a look at it. Social forum. So this is a place that you can, an open forum for chatting about anything you want to. So I just put something in there about my first week. So you click on, you want to put a discussion topic. Let's say you want to talk about module, let's say you want to talk about module 2. So go ahead and put module 2, and you're going to say, maybe I'm finding this module a bit tough. It seems to be taking too long. Any advice? And then you scroll down and you want to post to the forum. So it's basically a conversation. But it's in a forum instead of in the classroom. So there you go. So now you have it posted in the forum, and somebody could respond to you. So they'll see that, they'll click on it, and they can respond back. So now I'm going to return, click on the blue there, return to the main page. And let's scroll down again. Oops, doing it a little bit too fast. Okay, so that's a social forum. And then here, news and announcements. That's where I would post any recent news or announcements if I have anything I want to make sure that everyone in the class knows. So that would go there. So check that every once in a while. Learning partners, mentors room. part of this, as you'll find out later, you're going to be paired up and with learning partners, mentors. So this is a social room that you can chat in. And then there's well, social. It's also activity based. And then there's the coffee break, not course related. So if you just want to get to know your classmates, you can chat in there. And there's also a link to our class wiki. I'm not going to go into that right now, but we will at a later time. But in every module, you'll see the link to the wiki. So what now? So after you've gone through all of the activities in this is just the orientation section, which is basically section 0. You're ready to get started on the course. So what you will do is, as it says here, open the first toggle below, getting started in the online world. Now, you'll see that there are all the sections of the course are listed here. And then there's 2 tabs, open all and close all. So basically you can click on the module that you're working on to open. So I want you to, so you can go through and click on the module that you want to open. So let's start here. Getting started in the online world is the first one. So you'll have all the tasks and assignments for the first module. And Tech Times, Who Am I Online is the second one. Let's Get Together, Building Online Community. I Want a Job, Online Job Search Strategies. Getting the Job You Want, Interview and Communication Skills. What Next, Goal Setting and Review. So you can open and close them, take a look what's in there. So let's go to the second one, Tech Times. So everyone is designed in exactly the same manner. So you get a description of what this module is about, and you would move down, and then you would have a list of all the learning activities, all the things you're expected to do within this module. Now here, if you can't click on anything, this is a general description. So it tells you what you'll be learning and to how you share your knowledge. So how you would apply the skills that you've learned in that section. So everything's listed here, and then you scroll down, you read through everything, and then learning activities complete in this order. So what you do, these are all the learning activities in this module. So the first one is watch the screencast, which would be instructions for that particular module. And then this one, the first one is read the top 200 learning tools. So I'm just going to click on that to show you what it would look like. So there we go. What it is a link to an internet site for click to link to open resources, and it'll bring you to the information that I want you to learn about. So it's top 200 learning tools for 2016. Now you're going to go back to the course and return to the module. And let's scroll down here. I'm going to quickly. So you go through each of these activities, and then when you get to the bottom, and then working together. So this is where you would post the assignment. Some of the assignments are just to post in the discussion forums. So that's how you do that. You click down in whatever discussion forum you've been asked to post to, and you go do it. Or you can go into the coffee break and just get to know your classmates a little bit more. Okay, so that's it for now, and I will see you at the end of the next learning activities. Okay.